Hello guys and welcome back, and today I want to talk about the Solo Hawk. I've already talked about ioSafe a lot on this channel this year alone. I was talking about the burn and damage testing we were doing with that 1019 a little while ago, and let's be honest, that was a lot of fun. But today I want to talk about the new SSD they've got. It's going to be available in 500 gig and 1 TB, and this is pretty much their disaster proof SSD. Now I know you're all the way over there and the mic's all the way over here, but I'm going to bring it forward so you guys can have a look. Now, the more astute of you have probably already noticed that for 500 gig and 1 TB, that is a thick drive. And the reason is, this is crush proof. This is designed not just like the ioSafe stuff to be disaster recovery proof in a number of ways. It can be dropped on concrete from 10 feet. And as much as I want to throw this on the floor, that wouldn't be very fair. On top of that, it can survive submersion in regular and salt water for up to 72 hours. And once again, it is crush proof, which is incredibly important. Now, on top of that, it arrives with 2 years of manufacturer's warranty, and on top of that, you've got the recovery service, so data recovery on a forensic level included with this purchase. Now, as if that's not enough, this drive, which has an SSD inside, so we all know SSDs, super quick, it also arrives with USB 3.1 Gen 2 or USB 3.2 Gen 2, the naming convention never stops. So it arrives on the rear with that USB-C port and some great speed to give you access to the data that's on site. Now, this isn't currently available. It's going to be released pretty soon from what I understand, and it's one of those devices that's very much one of a kind. It's a follow-up to its predecessor. There was a rugged version of that, and I'm being told that this is going to be considerably more affordable, which again, we are talking recovery in a number of ways, we are talking protection in a number of ways, and we're talking about the price coming down. What is not to like? So let me know what you think about this device right now, and of course the other ioSafe devices. If you haven't already checked out our fire, water and damage test of the 1019, I strongly recommend it. There's a lovely bit inside with some classical music. But I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and click the bell at the bottom to be more notified about further videos that come up to do with storage. I'll see you next time.